Our residents can live, work, play, all by being located in Mooresville. People move to Mooresville for the quietness of the community, the proximity to the large metropolitan area, and the lake-style living.
Numerous corporations have their headquarters here. Lowe's Corporation, Carolina Beverage Group, Penske Racing, and General Microcircuits, just to name a few.
GMI is an advanced electronic manufacturer. That is our core business. Our certifications are lengthy. We are ISO certified 9001, 14001 certified. We are ITAR certified. And then also we have various IPC certifications at the assembly, the operator, and the repair levels.
We have partnerships with 3D Systems for rapid prototype. We can make parts go from computer-aided design to an actual part into the wind tunnel and onto the race car, not only in a matter of days, but sometimes in a matter of hours. And that's one of the unique capabilities that we have, not only here at Penske Racing, but in this Mooresville area as well. There's a lot of small companies that are involved in making things happen very fast, whether it be parts for aerodynamic testing or parts for prototype vehicles.
Mooresville has a core industry sector relating to our rich racing heritage. As the sport has become more competitive, so has the technology being used in the industry. Mooresville is home to more than 60 NASCAR teams and racing-related businesses.
I often say that the car we drive to work each day has more computers in it than the first spaceship that landed on the moon. Automotive manufacturers are always looking for an edge over their competition. As a result, cars continue to become more complex and sophisticated. The safety features in the airbags in the car, the GPS, the navigation systems, the onboard computers that regulate fuel usage and power, the suspension and steering. These features are very technical. Repairing today's automobile with this kind of technology takes a trained professional technician.
A wind tunnel is a machine that generates a very precise aerodynamic environment and then measures it with equal precision. In our wind tunnel, we measure not only the drag, but downforce, side force, all of the different forces. The race car engineers need this aerodynamic information of downforce and drag so that they can determine how to optimize the performance of the race cars on the track to keep them on the track, stuck to the track, and being able to push through the air at maximum speed.
Mooresville's technology consists of a robust advanced manufacturing capabilities such as CNC machining, rapid prototyping, custom fabrication, and composite materials.
Here at DODSON, we are an advanced composite manufacturing firm. We primarily deal in a lot of custom application requirements by customers, military, aerospace, a lot of racing applications, in many different series. Really, we're from A to Z, so to speak, on requirements, and customers will call us for sports, tools, for really any application whatsoever. We're apt to take on those challenges and try to supply great quality and customer service to all our customers.
So our philosophy with a machinist is that it takes a great machinist and a great programmer to make a great product. Without one or the other, the product's compromised. We live this philosophy because in most cases, a machinist would just operate a machine and he would just take a part into inspection and let inspection verify its results. Here at Structure Medical, we ask the machinist to participate at the highest level. So he's working with the programmer, and the programmer's working with the machinist to make sure that we're creating innovation at its best. With that being said, the machinist is in full control of actually manufacturing the product and verifying the product through first article inspection and in-process inspection.
Innovation is happening daily in Mooresville. The core industry sector that is prominent in our area is motorsports, defense, aerospace, and clean energy. The advanced manufacturing capabilities available in Mooresville can take a basic idea, turn it into a design, then prototype and manufacture within days.
Additive manufacturing and rapid manufacturing are sort of very similar terms. When we talk about additive manufacturing, that has been the transition from the early days. The initial materials were good to do what we used to call as form and fit. You would be able to make a nice stylized model of the 3D CAD geometry that you created, but the function end of it was somewhat limited by the material properties. The part that comes out of the machine is actually the end-use product. So instead of just being a prototype to look at, we can take the part out, we can clean it, and we can bolt it to the car in our case. And then that is the actual part that would either go around the racetrack or fly, or maybe it's the cover for the consumer product that you're using.
Mooresville has been named the #1 micropolitan in the country for the past 6 out of the last 8 years.
Mooresville has recently been named as a best small town for business in America.
It was great finding just what we needed. That was very convenient for all the race teams.
Our customers' challenges become our own.
Mooresville's done a lot to help me, and in turn I feel very, very confident that Mooresville is a phenomenal place to be.
More importantly, here in Mooresville, the best thing is the way of life.
We have a tremendous amount of available resources as well as a trained workforce.
With that being said, we have great colleges in the local area too. So coming to Charlotte or coming to the Mooresville area allows families to lay roots.
The bottom line, I think, one of the greatest attributes of Race City, USA, Mooresville, North Carolina, is that you could fly into town on a Monday, and by that afternoon, the next day, depending on the complexity of the part could be made, it could be tested, it could be proved out. You could start a simulation program with it, and it's just amazing the capability and the bandwidth that are within this 20-25 mile radius of Mooresville.